Nothing too crazy, right? We get back is okay. Back is okay. I just gotta figure out how to, probably gotta work on my back some more, maybe. I don't know. So, with this, I don't know. It's a crazy fit though. It's a crazy fit. Like this is an extra large, but if it was what's that called? If it was just a medium or a large, I could really just wear the vest as is, just like it is. Just like I got it. The shirt that I did want to put on though. What shirt do I want to put on? What was it that one? What was this one? What was that one? Hold on. So, let's put on this one. I really like this one. I really like this one. I think that's tough. Let me see if the vest over top of it makes any big of a difference. No, it doesn't. It doesn't do anything. No, it doesn't do anything. Okay. So outside of that, this one was the coat that I like the most. No. I actually like the other coat a lot better. But let me put the shoes in. I should have jeans on with these shoes, but I should have some jeans on with these shoes. But well, so I really like this coat. I really like the color of this coat. I really like the color. And I can just fit these shoes. I need to go up a size. I need to go up a size. So if it was like, if I was shopping today, yeah, I would get all these pieces, but it's like for putting it on, they don't even say black and brown go together. From putting it on, I would get this jacket. If I had, I would get all of these, but this shirt, like that, just like that. So this the fit. This is the Zara fit. If I was shopping today and I was getting me a fit from Zara, I would get these shoes, I would get these pants, this shirt, and this jacket. Post up. Hard. Straight like that. Straight like that. I fuck with this one heavy. Fuck with this one heavy. Fuck with that one heavy. Alright, let's change clothes. Let's get back out of this. I'm actually gonna go on that Zara app and I'm gonna put these in my favorites. I'm gonna go on the Zara app and put these in my favorites. That's what I'm gonna do.